Hi, yes, so I'm Chelsea. I am 39 weeks pregnant now. It's been pretty pain-free, felt great, honestly. I've had a really easy pregnancy, so, you know, I think getting adjusted, making sure my hips are aligned, all of that has really made like a huge difference. So,
I'm just gonna go in this direction a little bit. There. So if other pregnant patients were watching this video, what advice would you give to that woman that's pregnant about chiropractic?
I mean, I would just go and do it. I mean, it's not gonna hurt you or the baby. That's what I was scared of at first, was more of the baby getting hurt. But honestly, it feels great.